easily create system pages for your website, like your maintenance under construction page. Before we set our site to maintenance, for whatever reason, I want to quickly create a page first for the under construction setting. I'll go to Pages, Add Page. I'll call it Under Construction. Save and edit in Breakdance. Add a section and bring in an image. In this case, I just have one image which I'm going to show, but you'll build it out the way you would like to. Choose Under Construction. And my page is set. Save and exit back to WordPress. With our page ready, we can now go and set up the maintenance mode. Move down to the Breakdance area within the navigation sidebar on the left, Settings, and from the tab on the left, select Maintenance Mode. Under Mode, select Maintenance, and then for the page, we set it to Under Construction. This is the page that I had just created. Save the changes. Once you have saved the changes, it may appear like nothing has happened. Do a refresh of your website and you will see the maintenance mode is set to on, and it appears here within this label in the WordPress toolbar. You can still go ahead and work within Breakdance and your site. It will not affect you, but if you want to see how it will display on the front end, copy the URL, open a new private instance of your browser, paste, and there we go. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.